Hi, I'm Dan Saunders, founder and CEO of Zeti. And at Zeti, we're revolutionising transport finance to deliver sustainable outcomes by leveraging the power of real-time data. Transport is undergoing a paradigm shift globally. We're moving away from individual ownership of vehicles to instead utilising transport on demand. And vehicle technology is changing. We're transitioning from combustion engine vehicles to zero-emission vehicles which are becoming increasingly connected. Globally, vehicle financing is a $1 trillion a year annual market, but is facing major challenges. Financiers have received poor risk-adjusted returns, and borrowers seek flexible payment terms to support their cash flow. Zeti has developed a solution to overcome these challenges. Zeti sits at the intersection of FinTech, mobility, and sustainability, providing a digital platform which uses real-time utilisation and data to enable efficient, scalable financing of sustainable transport. Specifically, we do three things. We improve returns to financiers, we improve cash flow and transparency for borrowers, and we accelerate the adoption of clean vehicles to improve air quality. Zeti's vision is to be the preeminent financing platform to accelerate the adoption of sustainable transport, and we will do this by reducing the friction and margin erosion caused by physical intermediaries, by leveraging technology so that financiers of assets receive a better risk-adjusted return, whilst also providing borrowers with a pay-as-you-use finance to maximise their cash flow at no extra cost. So whilst this may seem like a bold vision, we're on our way. We're already financed £10 million worth of electric vehicles for commercial applications, achieving a significant positive environmental impact. But more importantly, we've received more than 200 million of financing demand from borrowers without undertaking any marketing, and signed partnership agreements with major mobility organisations both in Europe and the USA. The FinTech Innovation Lab has taught us three valuable lessons. Firstly, before the lab, our articulation was poor. We were talking about pay-per-mile EV financing to now talking about revolutionising transport finance for good using real-time data. Secondly, Zeti is not just a financing platform. We're creating the potential for a new ESG asset class in sustainable transport, and many parallels exist with renewable energy investments, which also generate a yield from the utilisation of those green assets. And finally, the feedback we've received from financial institutions is that there is demand for digitally connected asset finance. And this has validated our hypothesis that what we're building is of demand for financial institutions, as well as the opportunity to finance non-transport related assets and infrastructure in the future. So we're Zeti, a small startup with big ambitions to revolutionise the world of transport finance for good. Thank you for listening to our story.